Ababiraba bakakwatirwa omuri Kyadondo Kampala kandi bija bagarurwa baretwa obwa hati kandi bakomirwe omuri Hoima Central Police Station hamwe na Kakomero Police Station obwe bategereize obwire obu baratwarwa omu kooti.
Suspects the NRM registrar for Hoima district and the NRM registrar for Kakomero district. The one of Hoima, Kutegeka Joseph, male adult 70 years, was arrested on allegation of forgery and falsification of results, and this happened on 17th at the Tare Center. Yaruhanga Gonzaga, male adult 33 years, is a registrar of Kakomero district, was also arrested over the same charges. So investigations are on, and more updates. We are waiting for the DPP to give us an appropriate charges or guide us for any other development of the case file.
Kwatoka babiraba kukijeho bwa nyuma ya Dr. Tango Doi or chairman w'akakiko karukure by'ubururu NRM okubahayo kugira ngo bakwatwe.
The petition, the oral petition, was everyone was celebrating a win, a victory. So what the NRM chairman, the Tango Doi, has now declared the other party, and were instructed to investigate. So the two suspects were arrested on holding charges of falsification.
Omuringo ngogumwe hori omugambirizi wa polisi mu Strekechi ashabira abantu baburijo hukuma obusinge kandi no kugira obumwe omu Akaruuru akarukuza kuterwa nyenkyakare.
Agendamo kyonka of course nga security byokwerinda turuhu tujya kurora ngo buri kimu cyona kiri basekuru tukusaba n'abakomikana nabo bakome ninga bagenda aho basemeye kubandi bakomera bechecking urundi akira kubaho issues amabara nigamisinga mu register ubuti buri muri mu gwa security kugenda kandi tutandika kutoza amabara g'abantu mu register.
Omuringo ngogumwe habe byo kwerinda bareno bacondoza okurwana okwabira hagati y'abahagizi bahariye tubusinge hamwe na Beatrice Wembabazi otori no kubana Yakwata ebendera ya NRM ahante nyishengero kazi ahabwa Hoima district.
Hati misango yegibwe ba reporting abari babiri, it is a counter accusation case. Hati ogwa kwa chuzingo bamwibire bisumuruzo by'emotoka ya $5,000,000 ogwa rugamba bamuteire hati turora two case files into submitting am RCA, then RCA na tukaidinga, that is the DPP ni waja tukaidinga baragambe mu kwatongo bana chargingo hana rekuha ni waja tukaidinga cyokora tongizazi no anga police tushobora kwimugiramo kandi tutandika kwata abahagizi ba honorable hariye tusingi obatu kwata abahagizi ba Wembabazi
Gashakwa Gada Saba abwa Tayari West.